Right, we're all about sports right now.
All sports all the time. We'll be talking with the VI Raiders coming up in just a second. But first, a shout out to the Nanaimo Clippers. They're actually having an open house today at the Bevan House between 1 and 3 this afternoon. So if you're looking for something to do and you're in Nanaimo, check them out. But hey, we have some football guys here as well, Lynn.
Yeah, and I noticed you're all dressed up, so you're going to warm up with the boys?
Yeah, they found a jersey that fits me. I just need a belt.
What do you think, Jordan?
Oh, I think it looks great.
Yeah.
I think you can suit up.
We'll see what my skills are first before you say anything.
All right, so Wes is going to warm up with some of your teammates there. Jordan Yance joining me. Thanks for being here.
Thank you, thank you.
Now, you've been with the VI Raiders for how long now?
This is 4 years going into my 5th year this year.
Every year, you guys have won BCFC championship.
Yeah, so we got 4 in a row and then going for our 5th year, so, hoping for the best.
Now, you just got back from BC Lions training camp. What was that like?
Oh, it was awesome. Those guys, I've been out there, watching on TV for years and actually being on the sidelines and showing me how the pros do it and acting like a pro for a little while. It's a pretty cool stint for me.
You got to dress for a preseason game?
Yes, that was something else. I mean, walking into that stadium, actually being on the field and with the jersey on, that was a life experience for me.
You step onto that field, what was going through your mind?
Oh, coming from Regina and being a Regina guy, obviously, dressing in orange and being a Lion, playing against the Saskatchewan Roughriders, my stomach was turning and, obviously nerves were going, and it was something I can't really complain about and something that I'll, remember for the rest of my life and can't really complain about it.
Now, the stars seem to be lining up for you, Jordan. Matt Dunnigan, CFL Hall of Famer, has endorsed you, says you've got a brilliant future ahead of you. What did you think when you heard about that?
Oh, it was awesome. Obviously, to hear, awesome words from legends like that, it obviously, boost my confidence and stuff like that. So I'm just going to take that and move forward with it and see how the future looks for me.
How long have you been playing football?
I've been playing since I've been 8 years old. So, I love the game and I don't want to stop playing it. So I'm going to keep pursuing my dream.
Did you ever think when you were 8, 9, 10, throwing the ball around that you'd end up on the field with a professional team like that?
Yeah, well, like I said, it's always been a dream for me, and it's something that came in front of me, and I was gladly to take it, and I'll come back and play my 5th year, and see where the future takes me, and kind of play it by ear.
Well, congratulations. You guys are huge local celebrities. Wow, the crowd went crazy when you all showed up. So you want to do a quick shout out to your teammates who came out with you?
Sure. Thanks, guys, for coming out. It's going to be awesome. We're going to have a good year this year and hopefully host the national championship here in Nanaimo at Caledonia Park. So hoping for the best this year.
Okay, and your first game this season?
Is August 4th in Victoria. And then our first home game is August 11th here at home in Caledonia Park.
All right, look forward to that.
Awesome.
Jordan,
thanks
so much. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Can't wait to see you in that orange jersey out on the field.
I can't wait either till the day comes across.
Okay, you guys are great. Thanks very much.
Awesome.
We're going to take a quick break as Wesley works on her skills. You might want to give her a few tips there, Jordan. We're back in a minute.